use a and the vertical bar learn English in 1990 days. Hello and welcome back to Learn English in 90 days. I'm Suman, your educator from TreeCampus, a free platform to learn English. Today, we are learning how to use articles a, and the. These are small words, but they're very important in English grammar. A and an indefinite articles. We use a and an when talking about something for the first time or something general. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. A dog, a book, a university. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an egg, an hour. Examples. I saw a cat in the garden. She wants an orange. The definite article. We use the when talking about something specific or already known. Examples. I saw a movie. The movie was really good. The sun rises in the east. We also use the with. Unique things, the moon, the Taj Mahal. Superlatives, the best, the tallest. Specific places, the bank, the hospital, when specific. Real-life conversation example. Ravi, I saw a bird outside my window. Ria, what kind of bird? Ravi, the bird was small and colorful. I think it was an oriole. Ria, that's nice. I've never seen an oriole before. Game fill in the article. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. She has dash idea. We visited dash Eiffel Tower. He bought dash umbrella. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. Answers. 1 and 2 the 3 and 4 the 5 and. Challenge of the day. Make 3 sentences using a, and the correctly. Try these structures. I saw a. She has an. We went to the. Great work today. These small words make a big difference in how natural your English sounds. Download the TreeCampus app and get more grammar practice for free. Follow us on social media to keep learning every day. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep improving.